Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the explanation of the chapter Nandu and the charcoal. And I have also completed the word meaning and question answer of this chapter. Dear students, today we will complete the learning words, true, false, filling the blanks and multiple choice question given in the chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Nandu and the charcoal. Dear students, you can see the exercises. Dear students, in your copy you have to write only word meaning and question answer, and other exercises such as learning words, true, false, filling the blanks, multiple choice question you have to complete in your book with the help of pencil. Okay students, so just see today, first of all we will discuss the exercise learning words. It is given at the page number 18. So you just open your book and also put out the pencil, and now just see the question what is given here. Dear students, you can see meaning of the words are given here. Dear students, some meaning of the words are given here, and find out the words from the box. There is also a helping box in which the exact words are given in the box, and just see write in the given space correctly. Dear students, we have to choose the most appropriate and correct word from the box that gives the correct meanings which is written in the question. Okay students, it means you have to select the correct word which gives the correct sense which is given in the question. So just see here, what is the first sentence given? A planned movement or strategy. Dear students, in the question number first, it is written that a planned movement or strategy. Dear students, meaning is given. You have to find out the words from the given box. In the box, there are so many words given. There are 18 words are given. You have to choose only one word that is the most appropriate and correct according to the question. So just see here, a planned movement or strategies. What would be the correct word for it? There will be maneuver. M-A-N-E-U-V-E-R. Maneuver. Okay students, this is the correct word. You will also fill in the given space. Come to the next word. Just see next question. To walk casually, to stroll. To walk casually, to stroll. What would be the correct word for that? Saunter. S-A-U-N-T-E-R. S-A-U-N-T-E-R. You will fill the word saunter in the question number B. Just see students, question number 3. Announce officially. You have to choose a correct word from the helping box. Just see what is the meaning given. Announce officially. And what would be the correct word for that? There will be the correct word will be proclaim. Okay students, just see there is proclaim. There students, I have the old books. There may be some problem. There is some problem in the helping box. So you write the word proclaim. Okay, so in the question number C you will write the word proclaim. P-R-O-C-L-A-I-M. Okay, means proclaim means announce officially. Okay, come to the next question. Question number D. Just see what is the question number D. Difficult to understand. Difficult to understand. What would be the correct word for that? Complicated. You will write in the question number D, you will write complicated. C-O-M-P-L-E, complicated. C-O-M-P-L-I, that is I student, not E. Complicated. C-A-T-E-D, complicated. Okay, come to the next question. Question number E. Just see to comb. For comb, what would be the correct word? To comb, there will be quail. Quell. Quell. Quell means silence. Just see. Quell. Okay. Come to the next question. Question number E. Just see. What is question number E? That is not F. That is E. No. That is F. Just see. Confusion. Confusion. For the word confusion, there is a particular word, that is turmoil. Okay, turmoil. Just see. Turmoil. You will write the word turmoil. Come to the question number G. Just see. Badly injured. Badly injured. Injured. What would be the correct word for that? Wounded. Okay, students, come to the question number D. You will fill the word wounded. It means badly injured. WOUNDED. Yes, see, wounded. Come to the next question. Question number H. Surrounding. Just see the question number H. Surrounding. For surrounding, you can use the words environment. Environment. You will write the word environment. Environment. Okay, just see, write down ENVIRONMENHI. Come to the question number I. Just see, insulting. Just see, what would be the correct word for that? Insulting. Derogatory. You will fill the word derogatory. Derogatory. Question number J. Just see, what is the question number J? Related to science. What would be the correct word for that? Scientific. 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 Just see. In the question number first, you will fill the word maneuver. Okay. In the question number second, you will fill the word saunter. In the question number C, you will fill the word proclaim. In question number D, you will fill the word complicated. In the question number E, you will fill the word quell. In the question number F, you will fill the word turmoil. In the question number G, you will fill the word wounded. In the question number H, you will fill the word environment. In the question number I, you will fill the word derogatory. In the question number J, you will fill the word scientific. Okay, students, so this is all about the learning words which is given in the chapter. Okay, students, you may take the screenshot or you can write it. Okay, I hope that you all have understood this exercise, learning words. Okay, students, I am going to erase it. Okay, students, come to the next exercise, that is true false. Yes, students, exercise number second, that is true or false. Yes, students, sentences are given. Sentences are given. You have to state the given sentence is true or false according to the chapter. So just see here. What is the question number first? Dear students, I will not write the question. I will write the answer only. You have to also fill the answer in the given space. No need to write the exercise learning words, true, false, filling the blanks, multiple choice question in your copy. You will fill all these exercises in your book only. So just see, question number second, you have to fill, you have to state the given sentence is true or false. Just see, Nandu could pass time doing silly and stupid activities. Yes, in the story when you will read, you can find that Nandu was always busy in doing silly and foolish activities. So you will write the word true in the given box. Come to the question number B. Nandu saw a piece of charcoal while going to school. No, while going to market. Okay, he saw the piece of charcoal while going to market, but it is written here while going to school. So that is false. Okay, students, you will write the word false in the given box. Come to the question number C. Just see. Nandu wanted to make the charcoal white. Yes, he wanted to make the charcoal white. Okay. Come to the next question. Question number D. The milkman asked Nandu to scrub the charcoal with soap and water. Yes, he told to Nandu, okay, to scrub the charcoal with soap and water. That is also true. Okay students, so just see here. This is all about the question number second, that is true false. The first one is true, second one is false, question number C is true, and question number D is also true. Okay students, now come to the exercise number third, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Dear students, sentences are given in this question and that is incomplete. There is some words that is left. You have to select the word from the book, that from the chapter, okay, and you have to fill the appropriate suitable words in the given space. So just see the question. What is the question? Nandu did not like to go to school. There is first question. In the first question there is written Nandu did not like to go to ... In the blank you will fill the word school, because he did not like to go to school. Question number 2. Just see. Nandu obediently threw the charcoal into the kitchen fire. You will fill the word kitchen fire. KITCHEN, kitchen fire. FIRE. Come to the question number C. What is question number C? Just see. Due to his stupid and silly activities, Nandu's parents were much ... about him. Concerned. Concerned means worried. Concerned about him. Okay, concerned about him. Come to the question number D. What is question number D? You can see. You have spoiled a bucket full of milk with this charcoal. You will fill the word charcoal. CHARCOALCOAL. Okay students, so this is all about the question number third, that is filling the blank. In the question number A, you will fill the word spoon. In the question number B, you will fill the words kitchen fire. In the question number C, you will fill the word concern. In the question number D, you will fill the word charcoal. Okay students, so in this way we have completed the exercise number third. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood this exercise. You may take the screenshot or you can fill it in your book. Okay students, I am going to erase. Okay students, now come to the next exercise, exercise number 4. That is multiple choice question, that is MCQ based question. Okay. Dear students, in this question sentences are written, that is incomplete. You have to complete the sentences choosing one of the best option from the option given. There are 4 options given. You have to choose only one option that is the most appropriate or correct. So just see here. Nandu started rubbing the charcoal on the option number first wall, option number second stone, option number third grinding stones, option number 4 grinder. Dear students, option number 3 is the correct option, that is grinding stone. Okay, option number 3 grinding stone is the correct option. GRINDING. Okay, GRINDING, grinding stone is the correct option. You will tick on the option number 3. Come to the question number 2. Just see. What is question number 2? B. A woman who came to fetch water watched Nandu with options given. Option first amazement, second option sorrow, third option sadness, fourth option courage. Dear students, option number first is the correct option, that is amazement. Okay, the woman watched Nandu with amazement. Okay students, option number first is the correct option. You will click on that. Come to the question number C. Just see. Finally Nandu said that the black charcoal has indeed turned. Option number first blue, option number second black, option number third brown, option number 4th white. Option number 4 is white is the correct option. Okay, white is the correct option. We will click on that. Question number D. Just see. Nandu saw a charcoal burn and turn into white. Option number first paper, option number second rubber, option number third ice, Option number 4, cold. Dear students, option number 3rd, S is the correct option. S means Ra. A-S-H. S is the correct option. Okay students, so in this way we have completed the exercise number 4. Put a tick on the correct option. We can see here in the question number 1st, option number 3rd, grinding stone is the correct option. We will tick on it. Question number B, option number 1st, amazement is the correct option. Question number C, option number 4, white is the correct option. Question number D, option number 3rd, S is the correct option. Okay students, so in this way we have completed the exercise 4. Dear students, today I have completed the learning words. Exercise 2nd, that is true false. Exercise 3rd, that is filling the blanks. And exercise 4th, that is multiple choice question. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood all the things which I have taught today. You will complete all these exercises in your book only. Okay, in the next class we will discuss the new chapter. Okay students, so that's all for today. Thank you.